Hello everyone, I Hiral Popanya. Today's in video lecture we are going to discuss about formation and utilization of ketone bodies. The carbohydrates are the essential for the metabolism of fat, that is fat burned under the fire of carbohydrates. Acetyl coenzyme formed from the fatty acid can enter and get oxidized in the tricarboxylic acid cycle only when carbohydrates are available. So whenever the acetyl coenzyme form from the fatty acid which can oxidize into the tricarboxylic acid cycle, that means the Krebs cycle, when the carbohydrates available. So it is said that the carbohydrates, they are the essential for the metabolism of the fat. During the starvation process and the diabetes mellitus, acetyl coenzyme may take place the alternate route of the formation of ketone bodies. Means during the starvation and the diabetes mellitus condition, the acetyl coenzyme A take the alternate pathway, that means the diversion pathway, the route of the formation of ketone bodies. The acetone, acetoacetate, beta hydroxybutyrate are the known as the ketone bodies. The beta hydroxybutyrate, they does not contain the ketone group. Hence, the acetone and the acetoacetate, they are the true ketone bodies, and the beta hydroxybutyrate, it is a ketone bodies, but they does not contain the keto group. Ketone bodies, they are water soluble, energy yielding. Acetone, it is cannot be metabolized. Here the structure of the ketone bodies: the acetone, then acetoacetate and the beta hydroxybutyrate. Acetone and the acetoacetate both contain the ketone as a functional group. As well, in the beta hydroxybutyrate, there is no presence of any ketone group. It contains the alcohol group instead of the ketone group. First, ketone genesis, that means the formation of the ketone bodies. The acetoacetate, that is the primary ketone body. Then the beta hydroxybutyrate and the acetone, they are the secondary ketone bodies. The site, the location where the ketone bodies are formed, the synthesized exclusively by the liver mitochondria. Mainly ketone bodies form in the liver mitochondria. The enzymes which are responsible for that the formation of the ketone bodies, they are present into the mitochondrial matrix. The precursor, the acetyl coenzyme, formed by the oxidation of the fatty acid, pyruvate and the some amino acid. That means the precursor, that means starting material for the formation of ketone bodies, that is the acetyl coenzyme. That comes from the oxidation of fatty acid, oxidation of the pyruvate and the some amino acids. The reactions. The reaction for the synthesis of ketone bodies occurs in the 5 steps. First, condensation step, where the two molecules of the acetyl coenzyme A, they are condensed to form the acetoacetyl coenzyme A. This reaction is catalyzed by the thiolase enzyme involved in the final step of the beta oxidation. The first step, that is the condensation, that means the condensation of the two molecules. So what are the two molecules? The two molecules of the acetyl coenzyme A, which are condensed to each other and form the acetoacetyl coenzyme A. And for this reaction, the enzyme that is responsible, that is the thiolase enzyme, which is involved in the final step in the beta oxidation of the fatty acid. The acetoacetate synthesis is appropriately regarded as reversible of thiolase reaction of the fatty acid oxidation. In the ketone body biosynthesis, first acetoacetate, that is the form this reaction, that is the reversal of the thiolase reaction in the fatty acid oxidation. The second, production of the HMG-CoA. In that reaction, In that reaction, acetoacetyl coenzyme A combined with the another molecule of the acetyl coenzyme A, which produce beta hydroxy beta methyl butyryl coenzyme A, that is the HMG-CoA. Again, beta hydroxy beta methyl butyryl coenzyme. This reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme, that is the HMG-CoA synthetase enzyme. The second reaction, that is the production of the HMG-CoA, that is the hydroxy methyl butyryl coenzyme A. In that reaction, the first reaction which produces the acetoacetyl coenzyme A, which combines with the another third molecule of the acetyl coenzyme A, which gives the beta hydroxy beta methyl butyryl coenzyme A. This reaction is catalyzed by the HMG-CoA synthetase enzyme. Now, mitochondrial HMG-CoA is used for the ketogenesis. The cytosolic fraction is used for the cholesterol synthesis. That means the presence of this enzyme, HMG-CoA synthetase enzyme, that present in the mitochondria, that used for only the ketogenesis. That means the ketone bodies formation, where the cytosolic fraction in the cytosol, the HMG-CoA synthetase enzyme, that is useful for the cholesterol synthesis, which regulate the synthesis of the ketone bodies. Next, third step, that is the lysis step. HMG-CoA is lysed to form the acetoacetate and the acetyl coenzyme A. This acetoacetate may be formed by the degradation of the carbon skeleton of the ketogenic amino acid like leucine, lysine, phenylalanine and the tyrosine. The HMG coenzyme A, which is produced in the second step, which lysed, that means that cleave into the acetoacetate and the acetyl coenzyme A. This acetoacetate may be formed also from the degradation of the carbon skeleton of ketogenic amino acid. That means ketone formation that produce the ketone bodies, the amino acids like leucine, lysine, phenylalanine and the tyrosine. The HMG-CoA lyase, that is the enzyme which is present only in the liver. That means this step that take place in only in the liver because of the HMG-CoA lyase enzyme present only in the liver. Next step, reduction step. Next, beta hydroxybutyrate form. In the third step, the acetoacetate, that is the form, and next the fourth step, in the reduction step, beta hydroxybutyrate is formed by the reduction of the acetoacetate. Ratio between the acetoacetate and the beta hydroxybutyrate is decided by the cellular NAD and the NADH ratio. Next, the last reaction, that is the spontaneous decarboxylation. In this step, the acetoacetate can undergo the spontaneous decarboxylation, which gives the acetone. The last one ketone bodies, that is the acetone form in this reaction. In the third step, the acetoacetate is formed. Fourth step, by the reduction of the acetoacetate, the beta hydroxybutyrate ketone body is formed, and the last one, that is the acetone, that is from the acetoacetate undergo the decarboxylation, which gives the acetone. So this is the ketogenesis. Next, the pathway of the ketogenesis. In ketogenesis pathway, that means formation of the ketone bodies. First of all, the first reaction, that is the condensation reaction, two molecules of the acetyl coenzyme A condense with the help of the ketothiolase enzyme, and they give the acetoacetyl coenzyme A. Again, with the help of HMG-CoA synthetase enzyme, the again acetyl coenzyme A, the third acetyl coenzyme A molecule, condense with the acetoacetyl coenzyme A, and they gives the HMG-CoA coenzyme A. That means beta hydroxy beta methyl butyryl coenzyme A. Next, this HMG-CoA, that lysis, that means the cleavage of that molecule with the help of HMG-CoA lyase, they gives the acetoacetate, and the acetyl coenzyme moiety, that is the free in the reaction. The HMG-CoA lyase enzyme which is present only in the liver. Next, acetoacetate undergo the decarboxylation which gives the acetone moiety, and the acetoacetate undergo the dehydrogenation that gives the beta hydroxybutyrate. So this is the pathway of the ketogenesis for the formation of the ketone bodies. The next, ketolysis, that means the lysis of the ketone bodies. The ketone bodies, they are formed in the liver but utilized by the extrahepatic tissues. That extrahepatic tissues that utilize the ketone bodies, and after that the lysis of the ketone bodies form. The heart muscle, renal cortex also utilize the ketone bodies as a fuel if glucose is not available. Almost all tissues and the cells utilize the ketone bodies as a fuel except liver and the RBC. Reactions of the ketolysis, the beta hydroxybutyrate, that is the first converted to the acetoacetate. This reaction, that is the reversible reaction of the where synthesis of the beta hydroxybutyrate from the acetoacetate. So the beta hydroxybutyrate get metabolized by this reaction. The acetoacetate is activated to acetoacetyl coenzyme A by mitochondrial enzyme, that is the thiophorase. This thiophorase enzyme, also known as the succinyl coenzyme A, acetoacetate coenzyme A transferase. The coenzyme A is donated by the succinyl coenzyme A thiophorase that is absent in the liver. Hence, ketone bodies are not utilized by the liver. The thiolase cleaves the acetoacetyl coenzyme A. 2 moles of the acetyl coenzyme A gives and enter into the TCA cycle. The beta hydroxybutyrate, the ketolysis reaction start with the cleavage of that hydroxybutyrate, that is converted into the acetoacetate and get the metabolized. Then next, acetoacetate which is activated to acetoacetate coenzyme A. This acetoacetate converted into the acetoacetyl coenzyme A by the mitochondrial enzyme, that is the thiophorase enzyme. The coenzyme A that is donated by the succinyl coenzyme A, the thiophorase, that is the absent in the liver. So the ketone bodies, they are not utilized by the liver. This thiolase cleaves the acetoacetyl coenzyme A to 2 molecules of the acetyl coenzyme A. This acetyl coenzyme A enter into the TCA cycle and get oxidized. Here is the ketolysis pathway. In the first, the beta hydroxybutyrate, that is the cleaved into the acetoacetate. This reaction, that is the reversible reaction of the synthesis of the beta hydroxybutyrate from the acetoacetate. The next, acetoacetate, that is converted into the acetoacyl coenzyme A. This acetoacyl coenzyme A converted into the 2 molecule of the acetyl coenzyme A with the help of thiolase enzyme. This acetyl coenzyme A that get oxidized into the TCA cycle by entering into the tricarboxylic acid cycle. Utilization of the ketone bodies. The ketone bodies, they are easily transported from the liver to the various tissues. The formation of the ketone bodies, they are in the liver, so they are transported from the liver to the various tissue for the utilization of the ketone bodies. Acetoacetate and the beta hydroxybutyrate serve as an important source of the energy for the peripheral tissues such as skeletal muscle, cardiac muscles and the renal cortex. The tissues which, like the mitochondria, cannot utilize the ketone bodies. Likewise, the erythrocytes. The production and the utilization of the ketone bodies is more significant where the glucose is in short supply to the tissues. So, the ketone bodies are formed and supply as a energy in the tissues. During the starvation process and during the diabetes mellitus condition, ketone bodies production and the utilization is the more significant. Here is the formation, utilization and excretion of the ketone bodies. The liver, where they form the ketone bodies with the help of acetyl coenzyme A. The blood, in that the transport of the ketone bodies for the utilization and in the extrahepatic tissues, and ketone bodies in the blood, they are formed and excreted through the urine. They are excreted through the in the form of acetone in the breath as well as in the ketone bodies in the urine. And by the utilization of the extrahepatic tissues, the ketone bodies converted into the acetyl coenzyme A. This acetyl coenzyme A that enter into the TCA cycle and get the oxidized. The rate of the synthesis of the ketone bodies by the liver, such as they can be easily metabolized by the extrahepatic tissues. The term, that is the ketonemia, the rate of the synthesis of ketone bodies exceed the rate of the utilization. Their concentration, that is the increases into the blood, that is known as the ketonemia. The rate of the synthesis of ketone bodies exceed the rate of the utilization. So the concentration of these ketone bodies increases in the blood. This condition, that is known as the ketonemia. Next, ketonuria. The ketonuria represent the extraction of the ketone bodies in the urine. The ketonuria, that means the extraction of the ketone bodies in urine. Then ketosis, ketonemia, ketonuria and smell of this acetone in the breath. All these three together, that is known as the ketosis condition. Ketosis, that means ketonemia, ketonuria and smell of the acetone in the breath. All these are three together, that is known as the ketosis. Next, regulation of the ketogenesis. The ketone bodies formation occurs primarily due to the non-availability of the carbohydrate to the tissue. The carbohydrates, they are useful as the energy source for the tissues. Whenever the non-availability of the carbohydrates, the ketone body formation occurs. This is outcome of the excessive utilization of the fatty acid to meet the energy requirement for the cells. The hormone glucagon stimulate the ketogenesis, whereas the insulin, that is the inhibit the synthesis of the ketone bodies. The hormonal regulation of the ketogenesis, the hormone, that is the glucagon, that stimulate the ketone formation, and the insulin that inhibit the ketone formation. The ratio of the glucagon and the insulin in the diabetes mellitus that promote the ketone body formation. Ketoacidosis. The acetoacetate and the beta hydroxybutyrate, they are the strong acids. Increases in the concentration in the blood would cause the acidosis. The acetoacetate and the beta hydroxybutyrate, they are the strong acid. So they increases the amount of the acids, that means ketone bodies in the blood, they cause the acidosis. Ketone bodies in the blood dissociate the H plus ion, which lowers the pH. The volume of the plasma in the body is reduced due to the dehydration caused by the excretion of the glucose and the ketone bodies. The diabetic ketoacidosis is dangerous, may result in the coma and even death if not treated. The ketosis due to this starvation is not usually accompanied by the ketoacidosis. The diabetic patient which suffering from the ketoacidosis, that is the diabetic ketoacidosis, that is the danger for the patient, which result in the coma as well as the death if they are not treated. The treatment of the ketoacidosis, the rapid treatment of the diabetic ketoacidosis, they require the correct metabolic abnormalities and the associated water and the electrolyte imbalance. The administration of the insulin necessary to stimulate the uptake of the glucose by the tissues and the inhibition of the ketogenesis. The insulin, that is the hormone that is given in the treatment of the ketoacidosis, diabetic ketoacidosis. So they stimulate the uptake of the glucose for the utilization by the tissues and they inhibit the ketone bodies formation. Thank you.